Hello my good people, welcome back again to my channel. This news of unknown helicopter shot at a boat in Rivers State. This narrative should be military helicopter shot at our boat in Rivers State. That is what's supposed to be, because the news came up to say unknown helicopter. How can a helicopter also be an unknown? How can helicopter also be an unknown? Helicopter has equally turned to unknown gunmen. So this is ridiculous. This news we got this morning was very terrifying, because what we thought is that these terrorists, they have also decided to begin to attack traveling on waterways, and it was very disturbing. We know that this caliphate, they have been trying to pass a bill to be in possession of the waterways. And we know also that the same caliphate have dispersed their foot soldiers, being Fulani herdsmen, to possess our forests. So it's very scary when this news broke out this morning and they said it's unknown helicopter. However, the right news has come up now that it was a military helicopter that shot at people traveling on the water. So let me go to the real news. The headline reads, "How military helicopter shot at our boat, injured passenger in Rivers State," narrates. The occupant, Anwar Rufai, expressed shock over the occurrence, as he explained that the boat transported passengers and foodstuffs. So it's one of the occupants of a wooden cargo boat which was attacked along the Bonny waterways in Rivers State earlier on Thursday by an unknown military helicopter, has narrated his ordeal. According to Sada reporter earlier, I reported today that a yet-to-be-identified helicopter allegedly shot at local passengers, boats traveling from Port Harcourt to Bonny in Rivers State. An eyewitness at the Bonny Nembe waterside, where the boat began its journey in Port Harcourt, told journalists that there were casualties. The local boat that just left here to Bonny within the Treasure Island area, a chopper, or I will call it a fighter helicopter, just came behind, went very low and started shooting at the wooden boat. From the information we got from a boat driver, there were passengers in the boat. The boat also contained foodstuffs such as gari, rice, and other items. Everyone knows that is the route transporting foodstuff to Bonny. Some people died in the boat, the source said. According to The Nation, Rufai, a marine technician specialized in fixing outboat engines, and one of the victims, said the helicopter hovered around the area 3 times before it opened fire on the boat. He said 5 of them were in the boat, which carried largely foodstuffs, when the incident occurred at about 9 p.m. on Thursday. He identified 2 other occupants of the boat as Paul Jacob and Heidi Abdul, saying 3 of them sustained various degrees of injuries from the attack. Recounting the incident, he said, "Normally, we leave Port Harcourt by 10 a.m. On our way coming back, getting to Dutch Island, our engine stopped. We called for a new engine. A new engine was sent to us and we received it at 1 p.m. Between 1:30 p.m. and 2 p.m., a chopper was seen around that area. It came around the first time, went back, came back again the second time, and left. The third time it came around, it dropped a rope from the chopper and a personnel was seen coming down from the chopper into the boat and later went back up. Next thing, they opened fire and started shooting at us. When asked whether there was any loss of life, he said, "It was just me and one other person that was affected. He got shot on the knee while I got shot on my middle finger. It is a market boat and we were carrying foodstuffs such as gari, beans, rice, drinks, and sugarcane." So you can now understand the type of society we are living in that country. You can understand how dangerous it is to be a Nigerian. How can one tell me that a military helicopter that is supposed to protect civilians is the one now the military is using to shoot at civilians who are just traveling, traders in that matter, traveling in the sea? Do they take them to be pirates? So does it mean that any boat they see now, they will just shoot without proper investigation? Or have they decided to terrorize people also living in the waterway, making use of waterways? Because from what we understand, some of these terrorists that are terrorizing people in Biafra land, when I mean Biafra land, I mean south, south, and southeast. Some of them are military people. They are people with military uniform. So it did not surprise me that they can also make use of, they can also terrorize people traveling in the sea. Yes. After all, the caliphate, they've been struggling through the Senate and the House of Reps to take over the waterways. It hasn't worked. Maybe they want to use means of terror to scare people away or to cajole people from the coastal Biafran region to accept or to give them the waterways. I think this is what is going to happen next and what they are planning to do. If not, what is the reason for them to begin to shoot at people traveling on wooden boat, not even flying boat, not even speed boat, but wooden boat? They have seen the foodstuffs, but they still shot at the people. Surprise. Big surprise. We must begin to think deeply, because something like this might continue to happen, and we shouldn't keep our eyes off what really happened, our memory. This can be terror attack. This is how they start, gradually, and then it will escalate. You'll be seeing it frequently. So I thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye-bye.